how do you even survive in 2024 in the middle class? Stay tuned. We're going to jump right into it. So first off is pay off consumer debt. So keep paying on your credit cards, keep paying on your medical bills, keep paying on your student loans, keep paying on your vehicle payments, and get rid of those things. Never take out more debt. It will not help you out. And next up is learn how to budget. And that's understanding how much is coming in every month and how much is going out. Make sure that you spend less than you earn. That's the second tip. Both those are critical. Next up, we have save an emergency fund. I think saving $1,000 to $2,000 so that you have enough for medical bills, you have enough for a new set of tires, you have enough for car insurance. Save up an emergency fund so that when things happen, it's no longer an emergency. You can just write a check. It's still annoying, don't get me wrong, and then just move on with your life. Next up, we have grow your skills. So education is not only meant for people through age 18 or through age 22. Continuous education is something we should all be doing throughout our entire lives. And I think growing the skills that you have, growing your competency is super important. I love a lot of different Charlie Munger quotes, one of which though is pretty funny. He talks about we have a duty to become as ignorant as possible throughout our lives. And that's something I've taken to heart, and I want to just become competent in many things. And I think if you spend 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours on a weekend reading a book on a subject, you can become quite competent in that subject actually. And so I'd encourage you to go get a library card, start perusing the books, the how-to books, and start learning about how to grow your skills in your job or in a business venture that interests you. And I think as your skills grow, transitioning to the next thing is raise your income. And so life, it's a ladder. It's not a floor. You don't need to make minimum wage your whole life. There's nothing wrong with making a minimum wage, but it's not the end all be all. And so as you grow your skills, as you whistle to work, as Jim Rohn says, you can go from minimum wage to make $1 more at Walmart. If you just whistle to work and have a smile all day long, I guarantee they'll pay you more money after a year or two. And so raising your income really opens up a lot of doors, and that's really dependent on growing your skills and adding more value to your customers, to your business than you're taking. Any business will happily pay you more money if you're providing more value for their customers. So the next step, this is more of an advanced step, but this is grow your passive income. For me, I like investing in real estate. That's something I understand. But I would encourage everybody to start growing their investments, growing their passive income in different avenues that they understand. I'd love to hear folks out there, have you been able to pay off debt? Have you been able to save up an emergency fund? Have you been able to raise your income? Have you been able to grow your passive income? Please drop a comment below. I'd love to meet other above average investors and network with you. If you found this video valuable, smash that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos